What if I tell you CIA is protecting your data right now? Yes, the CIA, or the Confidentiality, Integrity and Availability CIA Triad. Now, CIA Triad. It's a very important and core pillar of cybersecurity. We use it as a framework for implementing and evaluating security measures. So let me try and introduce you to what CIA means and what are the possible attack scenarios and what are the possible solutions for those scenarios. So starting with the confidentiality. Now this confidentiality is about protecting your sensitive data. So all the confidential information, we need to make sure that it is not accessed by any unauthorized member. An example could be an interception attack. Let's say there is a hacker in your Wi-Fi network and he is man in the middle at that time. So he can intercept all the traffic that is going through your router. Now he can access those files and read them. That would breach the confidentiality. As a solution, you can implement encryption. Maybe in this scenario, you can use an HTTPS protocol which would implement the SSL encryption and make sure that all the traffic, even if the hacker intercepts it and try to read it, it will be encrypted and in the gibberish format, so he cannot understand it. Second is integrity. It is protection of information from any unauthorized modification or alteration. An attack scenario could be some modification attack. Let's say packet tampering attack. Now in a packet tampering attack, an attacker could modify the packets or the information traveling through the network. Let's say, for example, I'm trying to send $100 to any client or customer. Now the attacker in the network can modify that amount from 100 to 10 or maybe 1000, and that would result in the modification or alteration of the information that I was trying to send. Possible solutions are hashing. In hashing, you will calculate the hash of the information that you are sharing, and at the receiver end, the recipient can actually match the hash. If the value was altered, the hash would change by a substantial amount, and that tells the receiver that there was some modification being done or there is some tampering being done on that data. For example, SHA-256 hashing is used widely to make sure that data is not altered during the transmission. And third is availability. It is very important to make sure that all the services that an organization is providing is available all the time to their customers. An attack scenario could be an interruption attack. For example, DDoS or distributed denial of service attack, where an attacker would overwhelm a server from different nodes or sources and make sure that the server crashes or start denying the incoming request from the legitimate user. Solution would be managing backups and redundant servers. To maintain the availability during such attacks, we can have the systems use some redundant servers and load balancers to distribute the traffic. Also, additionally, we can maintain some off-site backups to make sure if the system or the site crashes, we can quickly restore it from that backup and minimize the downtime. Likely, with the CIA, there is an add-on model AAA. If you want a detailed video on that, let us know in the comment section. Till then, happy learning.